So I'm probably going to get some hate for this video, but it happens when you tell the truth. And as you guys always know, the truth hurts. And I wanted to do not necessarily a comparison video between JIFU and myEcon, but for all the folks that are in myEcon or looking at myEcon, or even maybe even looking at JIFU and specifically in the travel, realm, or, looking to pick up, a travel business, or, a business that has travel in it, whether you're looking to have that be a full-time gig or you're looking to, maybe add this into your rotation. My team and I used to be with JIFU last year. We ended up leaving JIFU for really a multitude of different reasons. I'm not going to go through all of those here in this video. And this video is by all means not intended to be a bash on JIFU, but what I do want to do is I do want to tell you the truth. And I want to show you, kind of on screen here, the comparison between the JIFU travel engine and specifically the perks that JIFU offers compared to what myEcon offers. And one of the main reasons why we kind of shifted gears away from JIFU and started promoting myEcon. And obviously, a lot of that had to do with price. When we got into myEcon, it was just, these are a little more user-friendly products as far as being affordable. When you're looking at JIFU and getting started in JIFU, the packages start at over $100 and they go all the way up to over $2,500. Where myEcon, everything is less than $100 and you get access to travel and so many more things. Not going to go through the products and services here. We're just mainly talking about travel in this video. But I wanted to put this out there because I want you to be able to see, what is offered in one travel site, one company compared to another. And I'm going to give you some education in this video. So I really want you to pay attention here. Okay. So first thing I want to talk about is, and I want you to realize is that right here, we're on the myEcon travel site. Okay. Also known as Zingo Travel. It's just a white labeled travel engine. Over here, you can see a video that I did not too long ago. And what I want you to notice is forget about the color scheme for a second. What I want you to look at is the overall layout of the travel site. You guys will see, here where it says hotels, cruises, cars, flights, etc. The search bar, the menu's up at the top. You can see where it says my rewards points. Come over here to the myEcon travel site, and it's the same thing. The only difference is the color scheme, but the layout is exactly the same. And the reason for that is most of the major travel engines that are out there are all white labeled by the same parent company. Okay, so that's number one. Number two is you also need to realize that there's different tiers which companies can buy into. So whether it be myEcon or JIFU or any other network marketing or affiliate marketing company that wants to use a travel site and they want to get one of these white labeled travel sites for their own company or brand, they pay different tiers. And whatever tier that you buy into, basically it's $1 per head that you pay will give you a certain discount. And that's why certain companies can say, hey, we have up to 70% off, or we offer up to 50% off public prices. It's based on the price per head or the price per person that company is paying for them to have access to this specific travel engine. Now, I can tell you myEcon pays the best and highest tier. So they have the steepest discounts. Okay. And I can tell you from doing price comparisons that the myEcon travel engine actually a lot of the times comes out cheaper, less money than the JIFU travel engine, because maybe they're in a better tier than JIFU is. Okay. Now, other things that are also involved, and again, this is not a hate on JIFU video, but I just want to give you guys the insight, the education, because we didn't know this when we were involved in JIFU last year. We did not know this information, and now we do, and now I'm passing that along to you. So, maybe you appreciate that. I don't know. But the other things that JIFU claims is with their travel engine that you get 110% price match guarantee. Well, guess what? Same travel engine, same guarantee with myEcon. You get the same 110% price match guarantee over here. The other thing that JIFU offers is every time you earn points, you can redeem those points towards future travel, or you can, get paid in a gift card or something like that. Oh, wait, guess what? you can do that over here with the myEcon travel engine because it's the same travel engine. There's really no difference right here. Okay. And lastly, over here in JIFU, another thing that they offer is when you share your travel link with, friends, family, you advertise it on the internet, whatever, people can create a free account. If that person that creates a free account books travel, whatever they save, so if their savings is $250, then you get $250 in, credit in points, right? That's what JIFU offers. But oh wait, myEcon has the same exact program. So it's actually just under a different name, right over here. When you go to the Zingo travel engine, AKA myEcon travel engine, you're just going to hit Boomerang Rewards. And that's exactly what it is referring to. You come over here and you can literally right here see it for yourself where it says 50% for you. It's the same exact program that JIFU has because, again, it's the same exact travel membership, same exact travel site, just white labeled under a different name. Now, I can't say that all companies, all affiliate and network marketing companies that use this are going to have the same offers or discounts because, again, myEcon is paying at the highest tier. So they have the highest discounts. They have the most amount of products and services available. Okay. Now, one of the big differences here, and let me just finish this thought right here, okay? So when you look at this, if you give this to friends and family or, anyone, and they create a free account and they book travel and they save $250, you're going to earn $250 in rewards credits. It's literally the same exact program that JIFU has, okay? So again, a year ago when we were promoting JIFU, we did not know this information, and now we do. I'm passing that on to you so you can see that. Now, what are some of the big differences here between, getting started with JIFU, getting started with myEcon? Obviously, this is where you're not really going apples to apples because JIFU has a lot of other stuff. They not only have travel, but they also have health supplements, and then they also have, wealth education with Forex and crypto and all that other stuff. And that honestly is kind of why we started to steer away from that because the offer is so complex. There's so much going on where for us, myEcon was just a lot more simple. Mainly it was price point. That was one of the main reasons. I'm just going to be straight up honest with you here, but mainly it was everything with myEcon is less than $100. Everything with JIFU is over $100. And when you look at, helping the average everyday person get started, to be able to do that for less than $100 is great. The other things that we were looking at is, costs. When you look at the myEcon compensation plan and you look at how much money you make, you get about a 70 to 75% direct commission on products and services. Where over in JIFU, if you sell a $2,500 product package, you get $400. So it's not even close to 70%. It's about what, 20 to 25% maybe. So, there's a big, discrepancy between having something that's all digital versus having something that is also product based and, where there's physical products involved and that sort of thing. And just the overall margins are just completely different. It's just run completely different. So again, that's some of the things that we were looking at. Now, when you just talk travel, okay, so let's circle back and let's bring this all home. When you're just talking about travel, if you want to get access to JIFU, you're spending at least $100 plus. When you look at myEcon, you're spending a little less than $100. You get access to the same exact travel portal that does the same exact functions for less money. And for us, as the funnel team, that was a big no-brainer, And now that myEcon has gone global, we're all over the world. We can help people in over 150 countries around the world. Again, it's just kind of a no-brainer. And, you have great products and services that help people make and save more money. It's not overcomplicated where everything kind of fits into one pocket. Again, helping people make and save more money, all in the financial training and education segment right there. That's where myEcon falls when we looked at JIFU's offer and we looked at, there's travel, there's health, there's crypto, there's Forex, there's Amazon. There's like so many different factors. And again, they have some really great stuff over there, but when you try to package and sell it, it's it's a mouthful. It's a mouthful. So when we were over here looking for the right opportunity for our team that was going to help more people win, we exploded with myEcon because it was just a lot more simpler and a lot more cost effective. And when we looked at, pretty much apples to apples here, when you look at the travel engines, JIFU Travel versus myEcon Travel, it's the same exact program. Okay. So this travel site literally is the same as this travel site over here. Literally, it's the same parent company. And the pricing tiers, I don't know what tier JIFU is in, but all I know is myEcon has the best tier because the discounts are the biggest, and you get the same exact products and services available to you that you do over with JIFU. So, hope this video was helpful. Hopefully it kind of shed some light on the different travel engines, the different companies, and that sort of things. And the reason why I made this video is because I've had a lot of people commenting here on my YouTube channel on some of my videos, even some of my older JIFU content, asking questions about this stuff. So I wanted to shoot a video and I wanted to kind of show you exactly what was up. I wanted to show you, why we made the decision that we did to, essentially leave JIFU and partner up with myEcon. That's really what it came down to. It just came down to price point. It came down to, what are we getting for the money that we're paying compared to what we had. And ultimately, we just wanted to see as many people win on our team as possible. And right now, we have a lot more people winning with myEcon than we did with JIFU. And that's just data. That's just numbers. So hopefully this video makes sense. Hopefully it was helpful. If you have any questions for me at all, you can drop a comment down below this video or text me. I'll leave my number right at the top of this video. You can reach out, ask me anything, and happy to help. Now, if you want to see, why you might want to get started with us on our specific team here in myEcon, I'm going to leave a video right at the end of this one. You can click on that end card. You can go over and see how we give you over $11,000 in free value. We give you a completely done for you marketing system. And this is what makes our team, this is what makes what we do a little bit different than, any other team or any other, systems that are out there. We give you everything you need to start marketing your business today. So all of your sales funnels, we do the email marketing for you. We give you a custom app so you can run your whole business from an app on your phone. And it's got all of your training. You can manage all of your leads. You get real-time lead notification when you have someone going through your funnel. You're going to get a cha-ching notification on your phone so you can see in real time that you have someone looking at your funnel right then and there. It's just a great product that really helps our team win, and it's 100% free to you just for activating your myEcon business. So again, if you want to see that, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. You can click on that or just tap the end card here at the end of this video. If you made it to this point in the video, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content here to my channel. You, my friend, will be the first to know. Thank you for watching. Hope you got value from this, and I'll see you on the next one.